Hi guys, this is James from Devil's Paintbrush, and before you can see the next lot of vehicles, or the last lot of vehicles for the current commission I'm working on. I'll just move these in front because they're out of shot. There you go. So what we have is Warlord Games, Puma, Hanomag or SDKF 251, that's a C with the Panzerbüchsen. That's a 251D. That's a Horch with a 20mm AA gun on. Horch, just field car. They're the crew. This little thing is called a Kettenkrad. It is designed to carry light artillery and supplies to the front. It's easily carried in gliders, so it was perfect for paratroopers. And last but not least, this is the Rubicon Hetzer, or Panzer 38T, that I unboxed a few days ago. So yeah, I've had a week off, so I've been able to knock this whole commission out really quickly, and I've had some really nice things to add on. The client sent me these resin stowage pieces and some of the Warlord Games crew. As you can see, the one on the left has got a cigarette hanging out of his mouth, very characterful. Now these two I've done videos on before. Oh, I totally blanked that out. Focus. I've done videos on those before, but this one has got that fantastic resin stowage on both sides. But you haven't seen these. Lovely Horch with the AA on. And that little symbol there, that is a symbol of the 5th Gebirgsjäger Division, because these are representing the AA troops for the Gebirgsjäger. And here's the other Horch, again with their symbol on the front, taking troops to the front. The crew, as again, based the same, so you've got the Edelweiss flowers. Here's the loader for the 20mm, and he's the spotter. And then last but not least, we have the Hetzer. Again, that's resin stowage on the side there. Warlord Games crew member, or resin, which is a lovely kit to build, and an even nicer kit to paint. Someone did ask me to do a weathering video on it. I've just remembered, I totally forgot to do it, so next time I get a vehicle, I will show you guys how I weather them. It's very simple, we just need a sponge and some selective dry brushing, but hey, that is something to look forward to. So there you go. That is the commission completed with the infantry videos you've seen already, and these guys. Any questions or comments, put them in the comment section, that's what it's for. Look me up on social media, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.